Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to level up your cooking hobby fast in Heartopia. So, like every time you level up a hobby, you will need to fill a proficiency, proficiency bar like this. And the higher your hobby level gets, the more proficiency points you will need. And like for example, in here at my cooking hobby, right now I'm in level 10 to level 11, and to reach level 11 requires 1000 proficiency like this, so it can take quite a while. And the best strategy is to cook a dish that will give a high proficiency while using ingredients that are easy to get. And in here I highly recommend making tiramisu. So just go to your stove and then just choose this recipe, tiramisu recipe. This recipe will be unlocked when you reach level 6, cooking hobby level 6. So make sure you already reach that level. And then this tiramisu will give 10 base proficiency points. And if you cook and get the 5-star tiramisu, you will earn 50 proficiency points in a single dish, making your progress much faster. And the ingredients are also very convenient. It just need coffee beans, this one, and then egg, and then milk, and cheese. You can buy all of them directly from NPC Masimo, so there's no need to spend time gathering materials. And to increase your chances of getting a 5-star dish, don't forget to use amazing seasoning, this one. And you can also use the rainbow bouquet. These items will boost your chance of cooking higher star meals, and it will helping you to earn maximum proficiency points more consistently. And for the amazing seasoning, you can buy it from the NPC Masimo too. Like in here, because I run off some ingredients, I will use the universal ingredients to complete the ingredients like this. And then next I will add amazing seasoning, and then just tap on start cooking. Like this, you can see it in here. I got 5-star tiramisu, so I got the 50 proficiency points. And okay, that's it. That's the fastest and easiest way to level up your cooking hobby in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.